Welcome to Mauuak Saving Tips. I take on the challenge of building wealth in 2025 using proven strategies, and let us see how far we can go together. Wealth building is a common goal, but in today's uncertain economy, with inflation rising and markets fluctuating, it can feel overwhelming. But here's the good news. Despite the challenges, financial freedom is absolutely achievable. It all starts with adopting smart, time-tested strategies. Having a clear, realistic plan is essential, and that's exactly what we'll focus on in this video. By the end, you will walk away with a better understanding of what it truly takes to build wealth in 2025. Whether you're just getting started or already on your journey, forget the get-rich-quick schemes. Real wealth is built over time, takes discipline, patience, and smart financial habits. It's not just about how much money you make, it's about how well you manage it, grow it, and use it to reach your goals. In today's environment, understanding personal finance and investing is more important than ever. Many people face the same roadblocks: inflation, market volatility, debt, and lack of financial education. But don't worry, we're going to break these challenges down and show you how to overcome them. Take inflation, for example. It silently reduces your money's buying power over time. That $100 you had last year, it might only be worth $90 today. That's why investing your money wisely is crucial. It helps you outpace inflation and preserve your wealth. Market volatility can also scare people away from investing. Stocks go up and down, sometimes unpredictably. But with a long-term mindset and a strong investment strategy, you can ride out the ups and downs and come out stronger. One of the biggest barriers to building wealth is a lack of financial literacy. Without the right knowledge, making smart money decisions becomes a guessing game. But with just a bit of education, you can feel confident navigating your financial journey. Debt is another major obstacle. High-interest debt, like credit cards, can drain your finances fast. But with focus and strategy, you can crush your debt and redirect that money towards saving and investing. Let's not forget about fear. It's natural to feel uncertain, especially when it comes to money. But fear shouldn't stop you. With the right tools and mindset, you can overcome uncertainty and take control of your financial future. Now let's get into the good stuff, the proven wealth-building strategies. First up, investing in the stock market. This remains one of the most effective ways to grow wealth over time. With proper research and a diversified portfolio, you can minimize risk and maximize potential returns. Real estate is another solid strategy. Property can provide passive income and appreciate in value. But like any investment, it requires education, patience, and due diligence. Want a simple saving strategy? Try the 50-30-20 rule. Spend 50% of your income on needs, 30% on wants, and save or invest the remaining 20%. This balanced approach can help you build wealth without sacrificing your lifestyle. Financial education is the foundation of everything. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Books, podcasts, YouTube channels, there's no shortage of free knowledge out there. Keep learning, and you'll keep growing. Mentorship can be a game changer. Having a mentor or financial advisor can help you avoid common mistakes, stay motivated, and guide you on your journey. But let us not forget the power of compound interest, the snowball effect where your money earns interest on top of interest. The earlier you start, the more you benefit. Time is your best friend in wealth building. Another golden rule: diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets to reduce risk and increase your chances of success. The most important step? Start today. Every small step you take adds up over time. Whether it's investing a few dollars, paying off a bit of debt, or learning a new financial concept, action is the key. To wrap it up, building wealth in 2025 means taking control of your finances with knowledge, strategy, and consistency. By applying these proven techniques: stock market investing, saving methods, financial literacy, and mentorship, you can unlock your full financial potential. Remember, this is a journey. Stay focused, stay motivated, and surround yourself with people who lift you up. It's consistent action and a strong mindset. Financial freedom is within your reach. So, what are your favorite wealth-building strategies? Share them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to check out my next video for more tips on growing your money and mastering your finances.